Okay, so today I'm going to be going back into the suspension. I'm going to pull the springs out, and we're going to take out, there's a aluminum spacer thing in the lower control arm. I called Hotchkiss technical support. The guy said there shouldn't be an aluminum spacer in there, and to take it out, I left it in when I first installed these. Me and Dad looked at the 1970 GM build sheet, or whatever you call that, assembly manual, and there's no mention of an aluminum deal anywhere, so they must have been put in at some point. I'm not sure. I'm going to go in, pull them out, and see if it makes a difference. Maybe it'll give me a little bit lower look. Right now I'm not real happy with it, so we're going to take those out. I'll show you what it is, and yeah, we'll get them out, see what that does for the ride height. Okay, so here's that aluminum piece that is in the lower control arm here. Now that I look at it, that lower control arm isn't flat. I thought that was flat in there, and I thought this was used to, you know, make the area flat for the spring, or angle the area for the bottom of the factory spring. But apparently it is not. You know, it's going like this in there. So apparently somebody has added this, according to Hotchkiss and according to the 1970 assembly manual. There is no mention of this. There is a number 1704, whatever that means. But I'm going to take this out. I mean, this should give us, I didn't measure that, but that could be possibly another inch of drop there without this in there. So we're going to install the spring back without the spacer. Another thing to mention in the assembly manual, it says, see those two holes in there? It says one of those holes is supposed to be open. You're not supposed to cover both them holes with the spring. I'm guessing to drain it, maybe. I don't know why. But you're supposed to leave one of those holes open. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to probably blow this out and get that spring back in there. Okay, so this is the stance I was looking for when I first dropped the car down with the lowering kit. You can see the car dropped, here's the measurements, it dropped over an inch on both sides, and I'm not really sure why, because those spacers were like 3/4 of an inch. So I was expecting 3/4 of an inch of drop, but it's over an inch. I'm not sure why. Hotchkiss also says that the springs will settle within 5 miles of driving. So I'm really happy with what we got now. These are, like I said in the last video, like 14-inch tires. So if we do go up to a 15, the car, right now it's got a little bit of a rake. It's lower in the front than the rear. But if we go with a 15, a little wider tire up front, 15-inch rim, the car will level out. Might be slightly still a little lower in the front. So that's exactly what we want. So we're happy. I'm happy with what we got now. So we're going to move on. Got the doors off of the storage shelf. So we're going to try to get those on. Start working on them. Got a little body work to do on those, so more sanding, more priming. Lots of fun ahead, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Just wanted to share my experience here and let you know what's going on with the lowering kit. And hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.